Alright, this video is to show my Kodi build, what I'm working on. Some people already have this actually set up. Mine could look slightly a little different, only because I'm always upgrading and doing things to mine. But the point is, you go to right here to Kodi. This is everyone's best friend. Once it loads, we'll get the action started. So this is my general build that I do for other people. If you already have it, some of the things I might have actually forgot to do that you should check is right here. This TV option shows TV shows. All these links down here, they allow you, when you find a TV show, to add it to your library, not your favorites. And when you add it to your library, it goes in this big picture right here. So when you click on that, your library stuff should save under this. So anything you save under your library, if you go over here to next aired, it'll show you, if it's in season, it will show you when it next airs. If it's not up there, that means it's not going to air anytime soon. So to make sure that this works correctly, these 5 links, well, I'm sorry, 4 links, TV shows, all you see, you have to sign up for an account. So if you don't want to sign up for an account, that one you won't be able to use. But I have it listed in my favorites. As far as TV shows Genesis, that's my #1 go-to, although these days it tends to be having a little bit of problems. And then the next one is Salts. The next one is TV channel, or one channel, and go-to TV. Those are all sources that allow you to add to your library, of course. So what you do is, let's say you click on TV shows Genesis. Right here I'm going to click, and I'm going to hold down the little round button, the enter button. I'm going to go to add-on settings, and you want to go under library. You should already have a folder set up. That part I should already did, but in some cases I might have forgot to do this step. So when you click on right here TV shows, and you can do the same for movies, but you want to do it under the movie section. So we're going to click on TV shows, and then right here you're going to get this list of stuff. We're going to actually go all the way to the top to where it shows these 2 dots. Click on the 2 dots. You're going to click on the 2 dots again, and click on the 2 dots again. Click on the 2 dots again. So right now it's going to show the external storage. When you see that, you're going to want to go under external storage, and then on this list you're going to look for Kodi library right here, and then you're going to click on TV shows, and then you're going to go to OK, and that sets the path. So whenever you add anything to your library, it's going to show in the same folder. And then you go down here to OK to make sure it saves. So right now, if I click on TV shows Genesis, and then I find a TV show that I want to save to my library, I probably won't watch Grimm, but just to show you an example, I'm going to click and I'm going to hold down the enter button, and then I go to add library. Now it's adding it to my library. I wait for that scan to get done. In the meantime, I can go ahead and go back. Just hit the back button. Now we're at the main page. That scan is now done. So when I click on this, it should be under this list. Right there, grams. So when I click on it, it takes me directly to that specific show. And then it shows all the seasons, everything, all that good stuff. So I'm going to back out of this, and you want to do the same for salts. When you click on it, you just see one of this menu. You can click, hold down the enter button, and then add-on settings. and then go down to library integrations. And you do the same thing. You want to do TV shows, click on the two dots, go all the way to, whoops. So right now it just took me to this, add-on data. I'm going to actually hit the back button one time, and now I see external storage. So I want to click on external storage, go to Kodi Library, go to TV shows, and then I'm going to scroll down to OK. Then I'm going to scroll down here, go to OK. And I just noticed that mine is not correctly set up for movies, so I'm going to click down, hold enter again, add on settings. I'm actually going to go to library integration again, and I'll go over to movie folders. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. External automatically showed up this time. I'm going to click external, Kodi Library, and I'm going to click on movies this time. And then I'm going to scroll down, click OK. So now it's showing the right thing for movies and TV shows. And I'm going to scroll down and click OK. And I'm going to hit the back button. I'm going to go to one channel and make sure that one's set up. So once you click on one channel from this main menu, you can click, hold enter, go to add-on settings, go down to library integration, and then the same thing. I'm going to click on TV shows, external storage, Kodi Library. I'm going to click on TV shows, go down to OK. Same thing for movies. External storage, Kodi Library, click on movies, click OK. Now that one is set up correctly. So I scroll down, click on OK. So now I'm going to Go TV. I'm just going to click, hold enter. Add-on settings, library, and then this only gives me the option for TV shows, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, external storage, Kodi Library, go to TV shows, scroll down, click on OK. And it should always say, if it's set up correctly, it's going to say storage emulated 0, and then it show Kodi Library TV shows. Hopefully I didn't forget on yours to make it easier for you, but if I happen to forgot to set that up on yours, that's correctly how you do it. So right now I back out. The last one is TV shows all you see. I'm not going to go through that one because unfortunately, like I said, you have to sign up. It's free. I definitely recommend it. It doesn't hurt to have an extra one, but you should be able to get everything you want from these four right here. If you do happen to set that up, it's the same thing. I guess I'll go ahead and set it real quick. So I click on TV show, all you see. I go down to popular. I'll just click hold enter, which is the little round button again. Go to settings. And then I go down to, in this case it says directories. So I go over to the TV shows, custom directory. I'm going to click, and it's going to highlight that little dot white. So then I go to TV shows, I go to external storage, I go down to Kodi Library, click on TV shows, scroll down to OK. And while I'm here, I'll go ahead and do my movies. Click on custom directory above movies, and then click on movies. Hit OK. Or I'm sorry, let me do that again. Click on movies. I'm going to click on the two dots, click on the two dots, click on the two dots 3 times. Now I'm going to hit back because it does not show the 2 dots. Now it should show external storage. Click on that. Go down to Kodi library. I'm going to click on movies. Scroll all the way down. Hit OK. Now I'm going to go down. Hit OK. And now that one should be set up. It might pop up with a menu if you don't have yours signed in. I have mine signed in, and that's why it was easy for me. But if you have an issue, shoot me a comment below. If for any reason you do not have that Kodi library, how I showed you, you're missing that folder, you will actually have to create that folder. Shoot me a comment below. I will show another video real quick how to create that folder. So that way you can go ahead and do this. So right now, all my movies for all these links are set up. All my TV shows are set up. This right here, next to these two, are TV movie extras. These are actually I would use for movies, not so much TV shows, because TV shows, it's important you add them to your library if you want to use the feature right here, next aired. Otherwise, if you don't care about next aired, you can always add them to your favorites, but when you add them to your favorites, it's going to be a little complicated. It creates a dirty list. Right here is your favorites. It just puts everything into one list. It mixes everything all up. It gets a little confusing for people. I don't really recommend using your favorites unless you have to. Down here I have super favorites. You could always set that up too. It's a little more complicated. If you want to set up super favorites, you can actually create folders in super favorites. To give you a quick example, I have live sports TV channels, my live movie TV channels. I also have live basic TV channels for things like National Geographic, Fox, all your basic channels. To be able to do that, if you really want to know, shoot me a comment below. I will make a separate video on that too. Otherwise, your basic setup's going to look like mine right here. You'll even have sports if you want to watch sports. NBC Sports, you need a live cable subscription and sign in with that. There's just a lot of options for sports. If you find it a little complicated, you want me to help you figure it out easier, I will go ahead and make a video. Just shoot a comment again. RT, you might not have it. I'll hook everybody up with that because some people don't care about stuff that happens around the world. This Google Chrome, you might not have set up. This is stuff that I've added probably after I set your box up. And that's pretty much it. The setup weather, you can always set up weather. To do so, you can click on this weather. It should take you to this. It might not be already set up. If it's not, just shoot me a comment. I will make a video how to fully set up weather. And actually, I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. You can just go into the settings. When you click on this power button, underneath it says settings. You go down here to weather. Now you go over to service weather information, and then you gotta click on this. And you'll have to add Yahoo weather. So right now you might not have none, so you would actually go down to get more, and then when you click on that, it's going to show you a list of providers. Yahoo weather I would recommend, even though I hate Yahoo. So when you click on Yahoo weather, it's going to be under here. For me it's not, because I already downloaded it. When you click on service weather again, it should just show up underneath that main list. And then from there, you'll click on Yahoo weather, and you'll set it up through here. Under settings, you'll do location. I just type in my zip code, 61727, because I live in Clinton, Illinois, shitty ass town, and hit done. And then it will put that under your location. You go down to OK, and that saves it. So when you back out of all this, your weather should now work. That's pretty much that. If any questions at all, like I said, shoot me a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm fairly quick about getting back to those. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video.